Welcome back, Introduction to Woods. For today, we're going to describe what you've picked up at the school. So here is your saw and your miter box. So the yellow part is the miter box. Clearly this is the saw. We'll talk a little bit more about this in a little bit. You also picked up two different kits. The two kits you picked up were one, the picture frame kit, so one long skinny stick with a wrapped bundle of materials. In this material bundle, you have a sanding block, backing, and plexiglass for your picture frame, sandpaper, screw in there as well to hold the backings, as well as a dowel that we'll use later on to mount and conjoin your picture frame. So that is the picture frame kit. The second kit you picked up was the sofa server kit. So here is some material that we'll discuss in a later date that is going to be used to build your sofa server and a tabletop like this. This can stay wrapped and the tabletop can go with that kit, and we can put that to the side for now. We're going to first make your picture frame. Now I want to talk about the saw a little bit. So the saw, there is a black button essentially holding the saw together. First we need to take that off without breaking the saw or the miter box. So back here you're going to squeeze together the backing and then pull with the saw, so out like this. And then we can take the saw out entirely. So now I have my saw and my miter box, and we can put that to the side. Now, your saw has a blade guard. I would recommend keeping this. We want to protect our blade at all times. Your blade, specifically, we want to make sure that we keep the teeth nice and sharp, and this is a cross-cutting blade. That's why it looks like the teeth are on opposite sides of each other, every other one. Now, we want to make sure that we are not dropping the blade specifically on the concrete, on your floor, on your mom's countertop. We want to protect the blade as well as the items in your house. This is sharp, it will break some things. So when you're not using the saw, make sure that you put the blade guard back on and keep that with your miter box. In the next video, we'll talk about how to start your project.